technology by itself is great, but as clients come on board, are there other services that are available to them as part of the core?
Yes, absolutely. Because around lifestyle medicine requires a delicate blend of human touch and technology. Okay, because we cannot just push everything on AI and expect the same results. No, we are still at the end of the day humans and admire other humans guiding us or supporting us. So the good part about the core offer, it's not only the software solution, which is great, but they also offer fractional health coaching services, almost like on demand. So if you're a new practice and just starting out, or you're launching a lifestyle medicine, mm, you know, uh, lifestyle medicine focused services, or a new clinic, you don't want to hire a full-time coach or a dietitian in the beginning. You can hire somebody through core just for a couple hours a day, or maybe an hour a month, or whatever your needs are. Having that functionality is extremely crucial. So having that kind of service available is a very crucial part of making the lifestyle medicine practices successful.